here. I stand on the backs of giants, those who have come before me with this award. Um, Again, something remarkable has happened in my life with some of the most important people to me, and that includes my staff and the students here at this school. I would not be, as I always say, if it was not for them. You said we as educators take a vow of poverty, we do. And Lord knows that everything I have in me, I try to make sure I give back and pour into the people that, not that serve these students, but the people that I serve. And that is my students and my staff, this district, and just those people that are here right now supporting me in this school, not just me, but this school. I appreciate it so much. Dr. Brumley, who I've met this summer, and I just thank you for doing what you do in the background. You may not be in the forefront with us or been here at Queensborough all the years that I've actually been principal, but my time with you that I have met with you has been precious. It has been memories that have been well developed, and I appreciate you for that. Y'all got me good. Y'all got me good. But I don't think the words of thank you is enough. It's really not enough. And when you say life has been changed, it is today, right now. Not because of just the money, you all, but because of the honor that someone thought enough of me. I didn't choose education. Education chose me. I had no other choice. This is my calling, my gift. I couldn't run from it if I tried to. I couldn't leave it if I tried to. But this is what I truly love doing. And I just thank you, everybody, for supporting little old Marco French. And now let me start with my story. The day that I received the Milken Award at Queensborough with some of the strongest people, the most faithful and loyal people, my people, by my side, who I didn't have a clue that this was even about Marco. I'm running around trying to make sure everything looks good for Dr. Brumley when he gets here. I keep telling my staff, I can put on the program for anybody. They're not educators, they don't really look at the details. But today I have a room full of educators, I gotta make sure everything is on point. But y'all got me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.